Hi, my name is Wayne Dartnall. I'm a sales account manager for Comfy Group Medical South Africa. I've been working with the company for about 10 years at the moment. Areas that I do is Pretoria CBD, Pretoria East, Pretoria West, the northern parts of Pretoria, and the outlying areas that I look after is Northwest and Limpopo. It's all about honesty and building up credibility. I want to be a trusted advisor for my practices. I only want the best for them, and that's what our solution does. It's all about passion for people and helping people. It's all about looking at a practice, finding a perfect solution for them. With our digital solutions, electronic health records, our billing products, we're able to do that. Every practice is not the same. We at CGM know that our medical practitioners is very busy on a day-to-day basis. What we're trying to do is to maximize the potential and the output of your practice by finding the perfect solution for you. You don't have to do customer support when you want to work in tech. If you want to work in the IT sector, there's a lot of departments that can suit you. Customer support is only one cog in the wheel. Believe in yourself, work hard, and follow your dreams.